If you have QuickBooks Online Plus, you can manage all your inventory products with QuickBooks. To do this, you'll need to first create inventory products in QuickBooks. We'll also go over how to import inventory products if you don't want to add them one at a time. Please note, it's best to set up your sales tax first before creating inventory. To start, go to Sales, then Products and Services, and then select New. Then choose Inventory. If you don't see inventory listed here, you may need to confirm that you have QuickBooks Plus, or may need to add it. Enter the name of the product. There's a field for stock keeping unit. Enter the SKU number if you use this to track products. You can use this icon to upload an image of your product or service item. For initial quantity on hand, enter how much of this inventory item you have in stock. It's a good idea to do physical inventory count of your stockroom to ensure the quantity you enter here is accurate as possible. Next, enter the As Of date to indicate when this quantity was physically counted. This date becomes the starting point for tracking your inventory. The reorder point is the lowest quantity of an inventory item that you want to have on hand before bringing in more stock. When your inventory reaches this reorder quantity, QuickBooks will remind you to order more. The inventory asset account is the account in QuickBooks that tracks the value of all the inventory that you have on hand. QuickBooks sets up this account for you automatically as the default, but you can change it if you like. The description for the product will be visible to customers on invoices, sales receipts, and other sales forms. Sales price rate is the price you will charge your customers when you sell this inventory item in Canadian dollars. You'll be able to modify this price on any invoice or sales form as needed. The income account is assigned to enable you to track the income from this product in QuickBooks. Whenever you make a sale, it is recorded in this account. Next, you can indicate whether or not this price is inclusive of tax, and be sure to indicate the appropriate tax rate for this inventory item. If you don't see any options in this drop-down, then you haven't set up your sales tax yet. This last section is where you will record purchasing information for this inventory item. This makes it easy to contact the preferred supplier or to reorder the item. Enter in the product description as shown on the supplier's purchase form. This could also be the supplier's SKU or model number for this item. The cost is where you enter the price you normally pay to the supplier for this item. You can change this cost at any time if you need to. Next, you will see Cost of Goods Sold entered as the expense account. QuickBooks uses this account to record the cost of this inventory after it is sold. You can also indicate a preferred supplier if you have one. When you have entered all the details for this inventory item, select Save and Close or Save and New if you want to continue adding more products. Now you can see your new inventory item here in the list. If you have many inventory items to enter, you can import them all at once from a spreadsheet. Go to the Products and Services tab, then select Import from this drop-down. Here, you can attach the spreadsheet and select Next. Then map the fields in your spreadsheet with the fields in QuickBooks. Select Next to see a preview of the import. If everything looks good, select Import, and all of these products and services will be added to QuickBooks. Now you are ready to add inventory products to QuickBooks.